Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. Today we're doing a hot tub install up here in Thayne, Wyoming, and we're installing a Grandee, so one of our much bigger tubs. So come along with us and see how the process goes. Yeah, we're right up against the metal there too, so I think we might have to just go there. No, 3 feet that way, and then like, what, 1.5 feet this way? There we go, okay.
Yeah, you come on. Get pretty level with this.
With that, okay. All right. Yep. Right there. All right. Unwrap this bad boy. Alright, so we got the tub all set in place, so I'm just putting the cover on right now. The electrician's here getting ready to run the wire, and then we'll be able to hook it up and start filling it. So this little piece of cardboard that I'm using actually measures the angle of these side arms, and that angle allows for the cover to be perfectly on the back of the tub and sit out of the way. So it just holds it real nice back there. Perfect. Perfect. All right.
Good.
All right, so we got the tub all set in place. We got the electrical fully hooked up, covers on. So now we started to fill it up with water. Should be full in a little bit, and then we'll be able to turn it on. So these are made out of ceramic, kind of, like a sort of ceramic paper material. And what you can do with these is there's 5 of them, so like they don't take up nearly as much dirt in each one of them.
Okay.
And instead of like hosing them off every month, you can actually put them in your dishwasher for just on the rinse cycle, no bubbles.
No way out, right?
Yeah, and then that cleans them out, so it makes them super easy to take care
Yeah,
of.
that's pretty nice.
Yeah. So this tells you your current temperature. It says 50. It is definitely lower than that.
Yeah.
That's just the lowest it can sense. So.
Tell your hand like that.
Yeah, for sure. This is phosphate remover.
Okay.
Phosphate remover is only needed on the salt tubs because it can kind of mess with the system.
I bet, yeah.
And this stuff is not in the full bottle. This one is only about 2 caps, and you'll be good for every drain and refill.
Okay.
So this bottle should last you a long time.
Yeah.
So there's that. want to make sure that you don't get any huge clumps in there.
Okay.
So we go,
Falls.
yeah. So we go
I
one.
have to do that once.
Every drain and refill, yeah.
Right.
Inside the tub and grab it from the middle.
Okay.
This puts a lot less stress on the arms,
Yeah.
makes it last a whole lot longer.
Okay.
So that sits like that. When you're lifting this side, you can kind of go however, it doesn't matter. When you're going back like this, just try to do it right from the middle,
Yep.
from inside the tub. All right, so we got the tub all filled. We got the startup chemicals in. So thank you for coming with us on this install, and we'll see you next time.